everybody, my name is Abhinambika Ravi Barman and I teach sustainable living, and this video is in continuation with my earlier video on mindful pregnancy. So what we are going to talk about here in this video is about how to connect with your unborn baby. So as a pregnant mother, what should you do and how should you connect with your baby, or in fact why should you connect first of all? When the baby is 4 months fetus inside your body itself, the child can understand what's happening around, and by the time the child reaches 6 months, the child can clearly understand everything that's happening around. The child can clearly listen to you. The child can actually understand everything that's for example, what you eat, what you talk, what do you do, all these the child can clearly understand. So when this is the case, as a mother, what should you be doing? You want the child to become intelligent, you want the child to eat well, you want the child to do a lot of things when the child is born, right? So what you should be doing is doing those, probably eating well, listening to good music. If you want the child to have a better music life, you should probably be listening to a lot of music. You should be probably listening to something which is positive all the time, and that will actually seep down to your child and the child's senses. So what's important in understanding here is the child can sense things happening around from the mother's womb. So how do you do this? I can give you a small example. When you're eating, okay, you will be probably having 2-3 colors of food, rice with dal or some vegetables or some fruits. So when you're eating it, explain a little bit to yourself. So it will look, when there are 10 people sitting next to you and when you're doing this, it might look a little funny, but it's for your own good and for your child's good. So what we suggest is, when you're eating, talk to your child saying, I am eating rice right now, it's white in color, and this is, it's going to give you a lot of carbs to you. And when you're eating a fruit or a vegetable, talk about the vitamins, talk about the color, talk about a lot of things. So a lot of mothers come and ask us, what do I talk to the child? I find it so funny and I don't know what to talk. I don't know really what are the things I should be discussing with your child. So these are things that are very basic, which you will be teaching the child when the child is born from within 1 year of time. So talk the same thing. Talk about the good things happening. When you're walking in a street, talk about the bus which is crossing you, or talk about the people whom you're seeing. Talk about something that has been sold on the road, or talk about things which are actually positive. So here, what is the key is, don't put or reiterate things which are negative. For example, a lot of women here will be reading a Mahabharata or a Ramayana thinking these are mythological stories and these will actually help. Yes, they do, but it depends upon what you are concentrating on. For example, in Mahabharata, if you are going to concentrate about how the war happened, or in Ramayana, how Rama went to the forest and how he had certain bad times. If you focus on that, that's the thought that you're going to push down to your child. So talk about the good character of Rama, or talk about the good things which are happening in Mahabharata, or focus there. That will actually give a better thought levels to your child, because the child can also think. When the child is 6 months, the child can clearly think for himself or herself. And important things that we want to say here to the fathers is how you're going to emotionally bond to the child, because even during pregnancy, it's not just the mother, it's also the father. The father can also bond. Every day spend like a minute or two talking to the child, telling how your day went in office and how happy you went to office, how happily you're waiting for the child to arrive, and things like what you would do with a child when the child is born. Probably play with you, or you're going to play ball with him, or her, or whatever. So those are the things that as a father you could also talk to and bond. And one unique thing that we do in our workshops is we have this particular coloring book, which we draw ourselves, me and my friends. So we've come up with these books which will actually give you a lot of positive affirmations. So these help you actually connect to the child, because these has things like, my body will protect my baby, and certain positive affirmation that I am having a healthy pregnancy. So these, you can see, these are very intricate designs where you will have to really concentrate to color. What we always tell the ladies who come to our workshop is, concentrate, do this just before going to sleep. Don't stress yourself that you need to finish a page or something. Just draw a little bit. Whenever you're feeling a little stressed out, do this, color a little bit, read the affirmations that are given about your child in these books. And you can also add, this is not necessary that these are the only ones you need to do. You can also add a lot of other affirmations for you and your baby and add them here, color them, because coloring actually, just like how it helps the child to concentrate, it also helps us to concentrate. So it will help you to really bond with your child just before going to sleep. If you're going to do this, meditate for like few seconds or for a minute and then go to sleep, you will see a drastic difference in the way you sleep. And once the child is born, you will really see how all the effort that you've put during your 10 months or 9 months is actually reflecting in the form of the child. How positive the child will be towards you, towards life, and towards everything happening around him. And emotionally, the child will be very happy and a very positive person. So do watch my other videos, and if you're watching this video and if you're pregnant, do ping us on our Facebook and find out when our next workshop is. Do join us in the workshop, and we will definitely together make a difference.